बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों, युस अस वुकस टॉपिक पढ़न यह ब्याख अख एग्रीकल्चरल क्रॉप यथ नाव काटन। वलु पढ़ो अथ काटनस मुतलिक। युस यह काटन दपान काटन अख अहम क्रॉप। Cotton is the most important fiber crop not only of India. Cotton is the most important fiber crop not only of India but of the entire world. But of the entire not of the only not of the only India but of the entire world. It provides the basic raw material. It provides the basic raw material to cotton textile industry. Its seeds are also used in Vanaspati industry. Its seeds are also used in Vanaspati industry and can also be used as a part of fodder. As a part of fodder for milch cattle to get better milk. To get better milk. Cotton is the crop of tropical and subtropical areas. Cotton is the crop of tropical and subtropical areas and requires uniformly high temperature varying between 21 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. Temperature gets 21 degree to 30 degrees Celsius. The growth of cotton is retarded when the temperature falls below 20 degrees Celsius. The growth of cotton retards when the temperature goes below 20 degrees Celsius. Frost is enemy number one of the cotton plant. Frost is enemy number one of the cotton plant, and it is grown in areas having at least 210 frost-free days in a year. Frost having at least 210 frost-free days in a year. The modest requirement of water can be met by an average annual rainfall of 50 to 100 centimeters. 50 to 100 centimeters gets rainfall. However, it is successfully grown in areas of lesser rainfall with the help of irrigation. अगर रूद कम आस मगर irrigation facility अगर आस तो cotton हेको ऐसे वोबदायित आराम सान. About 1/3 of the total area under cotton cultivation is irrigated. In India, about 1/3 of the total area under cotton cultivation is irrigated. Cotton is a kharif crop. You see, cotton it is a kharif crop which requires 60 to 8 months to mature. Requires 60 to 8 months to mature. Its time of sowing and harvesting differs in different parts of the country. Its time of sowing and harvesting differs in different parts of the country depending upon the climatic conditions. In Punjab and Haryana, it is sown in April, May and is harvested in December, January. That is before the winter frost can damage the crop. In the peninsular part of India, it is sown up to October and harvested between January and May because there is no danger of winter frost in these areas. Achna frost tension vandas minus temperature hekan gasit ki. South India minus gasan ki. In Tamil Nadu, it is grown both as a kharif as a rabi crop. Here the rainfall occurs after September and cotton is sown in October. Rainfall in Tamil Nadu occurs in September and cotton is grown in October. The irrigated crop is sown in January, February. Most of the crop is grown mixed with other kharif crops such as maize, cotton. It is grown mixed with other kharif crops such as maize, jawar, ragi, castor, groundnut, and some other vegetables. This cotton cultivation is closely related to deep black soils. यानी अहम soil यथ मज ये जबरदस्त ग्रोथ करान सह black soil यथ ब्याक नाव regular soil. Cotton cultivation is closely related to deep black soil of the Deccan and the Malwa Plateau and those of Gujarat. It also grows well in alluvial soils of the Satluj Ganga plain and red and laterite soils of the peninsular regions. You see cotton plant this cotton plant quickly exhausts the fertility of the soil. This cotton plant quickly exhausts the fertility of the soil. Therefore, a regular application of manures and fertilizers to the soils are very necessary. Fertilizers apply करें. Picking of cotton. Picking of cotton is a crucial. Picking of cotton is a crucial period from the labor point of view. Since picking of cotton is not yet mechanized, a lot of cheap and efficient labor is required at this time. Normally, the picking season is spread over a period of about 3 months. What we show you cultivation of cotton use Hindustan's mans kapurkin image cultivation gasa. Dapan chunki Hindustan's mans image cultivation gasa variahan staten mans. Magar खास करित युस अमिच कल्टिवेशन सह गसान महाराष्ट्रस मज बेकिन स्टेटन मज महाराष्ट्र गुजरात आंध्र प्रदेश पंजाब हरियाणा मध्य प्रदेश कर्नाटका राजस्थान तमिलनाडु अमन रियासतन मज खास करित अमिच कल्टिवेशन गसान यथ मज महाराष्ट्र सारे फिरिस्त तिकाज तकरीबन 30% प्रोडक्शन comes from महाराष्ट्र 21% comes from Gujarat. Go ismuno equating more than 50% production comes from only 2 states. Only 2 states. Cotton you see production च तकरीबन 50% च खाली दो स्टेटों पे सो महाराष्ट्र और बेगो गुजरात आंध्र प्रदेश पे 14% पंजाब पे 12% हरियाणा पे 12% तो इस पे ये कल्टिवेशन ऑफ कॉटन अमन स्टेटन मज गसान बे वन बह महाराष्ट्र मज अमिच कल्टिवेशन गसान युस नंबर 1 पे गुजरात मज अमिच कल्टिवेशन गसान युस नंबर 2 पे आंध्र प्रदेश मज अमिच कल्टिवेशन गसान युस नंबर 3 पे पंजाब मज अमिच कल्टिवेशन गसान युस कॉटन प्रोड्यूस करनस मज नंबर 4 पे हरियाणा मज गसान मध्य प्रदेश मज गसान कर्नाटक मज गसान राजस्थान मज गसान तमिलनाडु मज अमिच कल्टिवेशन सपदान